Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win risk every time. To start, focus on securing a continent for bonus armies. Australia and South America are excellent choices, having only 1 or 2 borders to defend. Deploy your initial armies strategically to fortify these borders and prepare for your first expansion. Remember, early continent control provides a significant advantage throughout the game, giving you extra armies each turn to fuel your conquest. When attacking, always aim to use at least 3 armies against your opponent's 1 or 2. This gives you the best dice odds, increasing your chances of victory. Prioritize eliminating weaker opponents to gain their valuable territory cards, which can be traded for more armies. When defending, stack as many armies as possible on your borders. A strong defense often discourages attacks, forcing opponents to look elsewhere. Territory cards are crucial for winning risk. Always aim to collect 3 cards, as this allows you to trade them in for a significant number of bonus armies. Timing your card trades is key. Wait until you can make a powerful move. Use these reinforcements to strengthen your borders, especially those adjacent to strong opponents, and to build up a formidable force for your next offensive push. Smart card management can turn the tide of the game. Once you've established a strong base and are consistently receiving bonus armies, it's time to expand aggressively. Look for opportunities to break your opponent's continent bonuses, severely weakening their army production. Systematically eliminate remaining players, one by one, to claim their territories and cards. Maintain a balance between offense and defense, ensuring your core territories remain secure as you push for complete global domination and ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.